Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to change delivery date on Amazon after ordering. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Amazon app right here. And once we do that, the first thing that we need to know is that we can't really change the delivery date on Amazon after ordering. The best way that we can do that is by contacting the seller saying that we should change the delivery date on Amazon so that the seller can arrange the date that you want to receive it. And so let's say for example that you have ordered this right here, and then all you have to do is to contact the seller, which is right here. All you have to do is to click this one, and then after that you can just send them a message saying that you need to change the delivery date, and then after that they will assist you to solve your problem. And then after that you're now good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.